Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley B. Deck. Today I've teamed up with Myfirstwig and they sent me this beautiful 10-inch Yaki bob. Now she's a pre-everything bob, which means she comes with pre-cut lace, pre-bleached knots, and pre-plucked hairline. And the added icing on the cake is there is a drawstring in the back. So I will be able to show you guys how to put her on and style her 100% glueless. The hairline is super soft and flawless. We didn't have to do any customizations, just a little lace tint, and that really brought us home. This one here is so good. So good in the perfect length. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the video. Be sure to check her out. Of course, there is a direct link and all the details down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, boos, so we are going Bobbiana today. Yay! Okay, so this is our beautiful girl here. It looks like we have a side part. It looks like we have the pre-everything lace. So pre-plucked lace, pre-bleached knots, pre-plucked hairline. I'll remove this so you can see a little bit better. It has that beautiful scalloped cut. You don't have to cut the lace, you don't have to bleach the knots or tint the lace. I think I said something twice. Or pre-pluck the hairline. And this is what we look like from the inside. We are going frontal, so you do have ear to ear space for, you know, styling. If you want some sideburns and some baby hair. And then on the nape, you have a little extra lace here if you want to bond it down in the back. You also have a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then you have the drawstring. Drawstrings have been the best thing since sliced bread lately. We all love them because they allow us to go in and just take a moment to pull a little tighter and adjust as needed. But good thing again is we don't have to cut any lace off. And then when you hit the center, of course you do have an elastic band, and it does have that Myfirstwig logo right there smack dab in the center. Do I have it upside down? Put some respect on their names. Super cute. So let's go ahead and adjust the back and go ahead and put her on. Ooh, it's giving Susie a homemaker, if you will. So this one here is a 10-inch Yaki straight bob. As you can see, she has a beautiful blunt cut. She is a side part wig, so it's nice and snatched where you don't have to do much at all. When you give it a go or a look at the hairline, she fits nice and flat and smooth, and the lace definitely is very nice as it blends really well with the my skin, even though I haven't done anything at all. So let's go ahead and get her started. I'm gonna start off with a little edge control for my edges. You can see they're wild and proud today, as always, and we love that for us, but we do want to make sure that we have a little bit of smooth, sleek, demure situations going on. This is my oldie but goodie, the Deck Beauty edge control. If you're an OG, you guys know I was selling my own hair products, including my edge control, and what I love about mine is I'm able to use my finger to go ahead and swipe everything back. I'm currently not selling anything right now, but stay tuned for the rebrand. We're coming back super strong. Okay, so we went ahead and took care of our hairline. I do notice that on the sides it is a little bit longer as far as the ear tabs go. I like to keep it neat and sleek, and so for me, I typically won't keep the ear tabs just because I feel like on day-to-day when you want to just put your wig on and go, you will have to like literally bond the ear tabs down, or the rest of the hair or wig will fit glueless. So you guys can see it just goes lower than my ear and it goes in the front. We don't really want to bond that down, so I'm going to take and I'm going to cut that off, trying to leave as much of the like hair and not cut too far into the hair. Little piece like this, and you can for sure keep this if you are a girly who likes to wear like braids and stuff as summer is coming up. I love the idea of using these little pieces that you cut off to make a fake hairline if you are going for the vibe. I've seen lots of big forehead girlies do that, so just a suggestion if you are like me and have a big forehead and you like to add lace pieces to your hairline. I think it's Ming Lee from Snob Life. I've seen her do a video where she was adding pieces, like lace pieces, to her hairline with her braids, and so if that's your thing, just save these pieces. Okay, so now we're ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and pull the hairline back just a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of melting spray. Now this is going to make the hairline. Now you see how this almost immediately melts down so nicely. This is a key game changer to really make your hairline nice and blended with your skin. And also it helps the wig from sliding back. If you are someone who experiences your wig sliding back, this is definitely going to help out. And this here's my mommy's comb. When I say my mommy's comb, I mean literally this is the comb she used growing up. And I love having little keepsakes of her around me. I rarely use it, but today I just felt compelled to use it. From here we can go ahead and work on the styling. So for this one, I'm just going to take a little bit, and a little bit for me may still be a lot for you, of wax, and I'm going to just drive it along the hairline as well as that parting. And we're going to take the electric hot comb and we're going to go ahead and press her out really good. Now we're almost there. The last thing we're going to do is we're just going to take a Myfirstwig rat tail comb, and I think this is from another package that I got from them, and I'm just gonna take and bump the ends. Now you see how it's kind of flipped. I think this was a mistake during shipping and handling, but be mindful that this is a cute look and a cute way to switch it up, to go in and, like, you know, we're typically bumping it under like this, to go in and flip it outwards. I think that's going to be really cute, like for Easter. Like I'm thinking I'm gonna do like an outward flip, or like that 70s flip with a nice like floral Easter dress, or even with just white. Okay, so this is what we are working with. She's definitely not even just flawless. She's absolutely perfect. Now I'm going to go in later and just take my time and bump it even more, especially in the back. But you guys already know it's Friday. So where we gotta go? Dance. I've been with the kids all day. They had the family picnic today at my older kids' school. So that was exciting to kick off spring break. And then we had to pick up the little one. So I've been out all day, and I came home just to work, just to do my hair, and we're going back out to do dance. So these are a few of the palettes that I have that I'm gonna figure out which one I want to use today. 16 is my safe happy space as far as lace tint goes. Then of course the 15 is when we go a little bit too dark. So these are the two colors, and I'm kind of like, right now I feel like in the camera it looks like I'm very much in between. This is closer to my shade, especially this darker one, I believe, and this one here is a little bit darker, like a contour shade. So I'm going to take the lighter palette and I'm just going to mix the two colors, and I'm just going to go in and pack this along the parting space. Love to do this really quickly and then decide if it's too dark, and if it is, we can kind of go over it and kind of like loosely pack in. And then I'm going to do the shade 16 along the hairline, and this is going to give me the perfect hairline, and hopefully no flashback, no cast or anything like that. Okay, love bugs, here is the back of the nape of the wig. Okay, love bugs, here's the back of the wig, and this here is the drawstring. You can pull on it, and you guys can see there's a lot to pull. And then you can take and find a stopper here and just grab it and pull as tight as you need it. This is going to give you the perfect glueless fit. And then from there, you can just go ahead and tuck it back in, and you are good to go. Okay, love bugs, let's go ahead and check out the packaging from Myfirstwig. So for starters, you get two items in your package. The first one is going to be this here, and this here is pretty much a portable wig stand. And then you get your box. This is the lid with the Myfirstwig logo, and then inside we did get a couple of goodies. So for starters, we already seen this in the beginning of the video, and this is the home for your wig, the dust bag, if you will. It's like a garment bag, if you will, but it's like a wig garment bag. Really nice with the Myfirst logo as well. Inside of the garment bag, we did have two pieces. We have brown wig caps, which are brown like me, so these are going to be perfect and definitely come in handy handy. And then you get this here, which is like an info card or like a packing slip, if you will. And this one lets me know that this is a Yaki straight. And this one lets me know that the texture is Yaki, mimics Afro relaxed hair, length 10 inches, hair origin is Malaysian, which lasts 1 to 2 years, of course with great care. This is a natural hair color, size 1 cap is what I have, which makes it fit really glueless and perfect for me. The cap construction is a drawstring 13x6 lace front wig, and the density is 130% density. So all of these details are also down in the description box if you didn't catch that. But yeah, that is like the specs on mine. The great thing is you can customize yours when you hit the link in the description box to go to the sale, to go to this wig. You'll definitely be able to like switch up and make it your own. And then also in the package we did get this here, which is a melt belt or a wig band, nice and thick but also still really soft and snug. Love these. And then you also get the zip pouch here, which is double-sided with the logo on this side with the stripes, and then here with like just the logo in the center, and that's it. And then you open her up, and of course this is a reusable pouch, so feel free to use this to go in your toiletry bag or makeup or just organize different things that you may have. And inside you did get not one but two, not two but 3 items. Of course you have your rat tail comb, and it does say My First Wig. You guys see earlier in the video I did use one of these, and it's the same exact one except from a different wig that I have from them. And then you also get 2 dolphin clips. I just dropped one and it's way too far to grab, but you guys know I love these and I use these literally in every single video, so super perfect and definitely will come in handy. Now we can get back to the rest of the video. And this here is the look, love bugs. Super simple, quick and easy. We can add a little just to give it a little bit of a finishing touch. I feel like this was so good, so easy to achieve. Let me know what you guys think of this one. Absolutely gorgeous. Chef's kiss, 10 out of 10. I'd highly recommend. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.